Welcome to this presentation on ecological management, focusing on biological associations and interactions. In this lesson, we will explore how organisms interact within ecosystems and how these interactions affect their survival and overall ecosystem balance. Pause 0.5. Biological associations describe how species interact with one another in an ecosystem. These relationships help maintain ecological balance and contribute to the survival of different organisms. The three main types of biological associations are mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. Let's take a closer look at each of these relationships. Mutualism is a relationship in which both organisms benefit. A great example is lichen, where fungi provide a structure for algae, while the algae produce food through photosynthesis. Another example is bees and flowers. Bees collect nectar for food while pollinating the flowers, allowing them to reproduce. Mycorrhizal fungi also form a mutualistic relationship with plant roots, helping them absorb water and nutrients in exchange for carbohydrates. In commensalism, one species benefits while the other remains unaffected. An example is barnacles on whales. The barnacles get access to nutrient-rich waters, but the whale is not harmed or benefited. Another example is the remora fish, which attach to sharks for free transport and leftover food without affecting the shark. Lastly, cattle egrets follow cattle to eat insects disturbed by their movements, while the cattle remain unaffected. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Parasitism is a relationship where one organism benefits while harming the host. A common example is tapeworms in humans. The tapeworm absorbs nutrients from the host, leading to weakness. Another example is malaria, where the Plasmodium parasite infects human red blood cells, causing fever and fatigue. Competition occurs when organisms compete for the same resources like food, water, or shelter. It can happen within the same species, called intraspecific competition, or between different species, called interspecific competition. Some outcomes of competition include competitive exclusion, where one species outcompetes another, or resource partitioning, where species use resources in different ways to avoid direct competition. Predator-prey relationships help maintain ecological balance. Predators hunt prey for food, and the populations of both species are interconnected. For example, as hare numbers increase, lynx populations also grow. However, as the lynx hunts more hares, the hare population decreases, causing lynx numbers to drop. This cycle repeats itself and helps regulate species populations in ecosystems. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. In summary, biological associations, competition, and predator-prey interactions shape ecosystems. Mutualism benefits both species, while commensalism benefits one without harming the other. In parasitism, one species benefits while harming the host. Competition influences resource availability, and predator-prey relationships help regulate species populations. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.